Thinking of cancelling your Nest pension? Whether you want to opt out, stop contributions, or withdraw your savings, this video will guide you through the process step by step. Can you cancel Nest pension? First, let's clarify what you mean by cancel your Nest pension. You have three options: opt out, stop contributions, and get a refund if within the first month. Stop contributions, pause payments but keep your pension for future use. Withdraw savings, take out your pension, but only if you're eligible. Your options depend on how long you've been enrolled and your age. How to opt out? If you've been automatically enrolled in Nest but want to opt out, you have 1 month from your enrollment date to do so. Here's how. Step 1. Log into your Nest account at nestpensions.org.uk. Step 2. Click on Opt Out and follow the instructions. Step 3. Confirm your decision. Your employer will stop deductions and you'll receive a refund. If you miss the deadline, you can still stop contributions, but you won't get a refund. How to stop contributions? If you don't want to lose your pension savings but need to stop payments, you can simply stop contributions. Log into your Nest account, go to Manage Your Account and select Stop Contributions. Inform your employer, they'll stop deducting money from your salary, your pension pot stays with Nest, and your investments continue to grow until retirement. How to withdraw your pension? If you want to take out your pension, you must be at least 55, rising to 57 in 2028. You can take a tax-free lump sum, up to 25% tax-free, the rest is taxable. Withdraw it all, but be aware of tax implications. Buy an annuity. Get a guaranteed income for life. Log into your Nest account, select Take My Money, and follow the instructions to withdraw. Cancelling your Nest pension depends on your situation. Whether opting out, stopping contributions, or withdrawing funds, make sure you understand the consequences. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your questions. See you in the next one.